we're going to use the equation. Well, y'all tell me, which equation do we use for this one? If it doubles, what?
Like P equals something, right? That's all I know. But I know it's the P equals something.
So you're going to say P equals PO times E to the RT. Does that look familiar?
Yeah.
Okay. We might have used different letters. So we know that it doubles every 2 months, and that there are initially 50 rabbits, and we're trying to find how many rabbits in 9 months, right? But before we can even do this, we don't know what our rate is, because we need to find that before we solve for the amount of time in 9 months. So to find the rate, we're gonna say so it takes 2 months to double, right? So we're gonna say we start off with 2 rabbits, right? Our PO is gonna be 2, or I guess we'll start off with 1 rabbit, right? We have 1 rabbit, and then what's double of 1? It's 2, right? So our amount after 2 months is gonna be 2, E times R, and then our T is our time, so that would be 2 months. It went from 1 rabbit to 2. Okay, so after we divide both sides by 1, which is really unnecessary, we're going to get 2 equals E to the R times 2. And then there's that E where we're trying to solve something in the exponent. So we do the natural log again, okay? So we do it at both sides. So we're going to take ln of 2 equals ln of E times R times 2, okay? And then the ln and E are next to each other, so we just cross them out. And we get ln of 2 equals R times 2. We want R by itself, so we're going to divide both sides by 2. And then y'all plug this guy in your calculator, because that's what R equals. Remember closing the parentheses.
What exactly do we put in the calculator?
You're going to plug in natural log of 2 divided by 2.
Oh, okay.
What did y'all get? 6-ish. So we have our rate, and so now we can try to figure out what we would have after 9 months. So step 1, find the rate, and then step 2 is to find what the question is actually asking. So it says there are initially 50 rabbits, so P equals our initial 50 E time, and then to the RT. So our rate is going to be that rate that we found, 0.346 times time. And how long do they want to know it after?
9 months.
Yeah, 9 months times 9. Remember, with the exponents, you're going to close the parentheses around the exponents whenever you multiply that. What did y'all get? You'll have to plug it in. 50 times E to the 0.346 times 9.
11.25.
What'd you get?
11.25.54.
Okay. 11.5. And then which inequality does that fall under? D. Yep.
When you were finding the rate, where did you get the 2 from for the time?
So it's rate times time up here. So we do rate, and then after 2 months it doubles. So we took that 2 for the months.
Okay, did it say that in the question?
Mhm.
Okay.
And then number 7 says, express the equation log base 2 2x equals y, an exponential form. This one. 2x equals y. Okay, so this is our base, right? So we're gonna write that guy down. And then this is the exponent, okay, to the y equals that guy. And then the way I remember that is like log base b of x equals y means b to the y equals x. And honestly, I would just write that down as soon as you get the test. Like memorize it, write it down. That way you can just reference it, you know? Because it kind of gets confusing. Hold on. Sorry. Sorry, y'all. Alright. So which question is that? Which answer choice?